Hello and welcome to our channel. Today, we are going to take you on a journey to Kilkenny, a city in Ireland that has a rich history, culture, and charm. Kilkenny is located in the southeast of Ireland, about 90 minutes from Dublin. It is built on both banks of the River Nore and has a population of about 22,000 people. Kilkenny is known as the medieval capital of Ireland because it has many historic buildings and monuments that date back to the 12th century. One of the most iconic landmarks is Kilkenny Castle, which was built by the Normans in 1195 and was the seat of the powerful Butler family for over 600 years. The castle has been beautifully restored and is open to the public. You can admire the elegant rooms, the art gallery, the library, and the gardens. Another impressive building is St. Canice's Cathedral, which is one of the oldest and largest cathedrals in Ireland. It was founded in the 6th century by St. Canice, who gave his name to the city. The cathedral has a stunning Gothic interior, with stained glass windows, carved tombs, and medieval treasures. Next to the cathedral is a round tower, which is one of only 2 in Ireland that you can climb. From the top, you can enjoy a panoramic view of the city and the countryside. If you want to learn more about the history of Kilkenny, you can visit some of the museums and heritage sites in the city. One of them is Rove House, which is a 17th century merchant's house that has been preserved as a museum. You can see how people lived and worked in Kilkenny in the past and explore the courtyard garden, which has plants from that era. Another captivating destination to explore is the Black Abbey. This enchanting Gothic church boasts a rich history dating back to the 13th century, featuring stunning architecture with intricate stained glass windows and a serene atmosphere that transports visitors back in time. As you wander through its hallowed halls, you'll discover a treasure trove of religious art and a profound sense of spirituality. The Black Abbey is not just a building, it's a living testament to Ireland's heritage and a must-visit for those seeking a deeper connection with the country's past. Kilkenny is not only a city of history, but also a city of culture and creativity. Kilkenny is famous for its craft and design workshops, where you can find local artists and artisans making pottery, jewelry, glassware, textiles, and more. You can visit some of these workshops and studios, such as Nicholas Mossy Pottery, Jerpoint Glass Studio, or Cushendale Woolen Mills, and see how they create their beautiful products. You can also buy some unique souvenirs or gifts for yourself or your loved ones. Kilkenny also has a vibrant arts and entertainment scene with many festivals and events throughout the year. One of the most popular ones is the Kilkenny Arts Festival, which takes place in August and features music, theater, dance, literature, and visual arts from local and international artists. Another one is the Catloves Comedy Festival, which happens in June and brings some of the best comedians from around the world to make you laugh out loud. Of course, no visit to Kilkenny would be complete without experiencing its pub culture. Kilkenny has many traditional pubs where you can enjoy a pint of beer or cider, listen to live music, or join a session of Irish folk songs. Kilkenny is also where Smithwick's, one of Ireland's oldest beers, was first brewed in 1710. You can take a tour of the Smithwick's experience, where you can learn about the history and brewing process of this ale and taste some samples at the end. As you can see, Kilkenny is a city that has something for everyone. It is a place where you can discover its medieval past, its modern present, and its future potential. It is a place where you can immerse yourself in its culture, its creativity, and its charm. It is a place where you can have fun, relax, and enjoy yourself. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.